Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using FortiToken. In this FortiToken Password Manager review, we'll delve into its features, practical usage, and how it bolsters your online security. Check the description for convenient product links where you can explore further details or make a purchase. The FortiToken Password Manager is engineered to deliver secure and convenient password management for both individuals and businesses alike. Its robust two-factor authentication, 2FA, and single sign-on, SSO, capabilities ensure the protection of your sensitive data while providing seamless access to your accounts. Whether you're running a small business or managing IT for a large enterprise, FortiToken streamlines password management, mitigating the risks associated with weak or reused passwords. One key feature that sets FortiToken apart is its tight integration with the Fortinet ecosystem. This makes it a particularly compelling solution for those already utilizing FortiGate firewalls or other Fortinet security products. This integration fosters a unified security architecture, simplifying both initial deployment and ongoing management tasks. FortiToken boasts a clean and intuitive user interface designed to be accessible to both novice and experienced users. It simplifies the process of generating and managing strong passwords, as well as configuring access control policies. Another significant advantage is the ability to securely store and autofill passwords across various browsers and devices, saving you valuable time while ensuring your passwords remain protected. For businesses, FortiToken offers centralized management capabilities, enabling administrators to effortlessly configure, monitor, and enforce password policies and authentication methods across the entire organization. Its scalable design caters to the needs of both small teams and large corporations. When it comes to pricing, FortiToken offers competitive value, especially for businesses requiring a high level of security. Features like robust encryption, secure password sharing options, and emergency access controls contribute to a comprehensive solution for anyone serious about safeguarding their digital identity. In conclusion, the FortiToken Password Manager delivers a highly secure and user-friendly experience, making it a worthwhile consideration for both personal and professional use.